What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And as we do, we just went through a ton of destinations.
A lot.
In a wild turn of events, we decided to come back to Maryland to visit with our family and friends. So we trekked through 3,000 plus miles to get back here to our home state. And as good Marylanders, we are going to eat our fair share of crab starting today. We happened to get the new Leggero Pizza Oven. So today's meal is inspired by our pizza oven, Maryland heritage, and we are going to be making some Maryland crab pizza.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get our Maryland crab pizza started today, I'm going to make the sauce. It's going to consist of 2 easy ingredients: cream cheese and Old Bay hot sauce. A good helping of our Old Bay hot sauce. I actually heated up this cream cheese just a little bit, got it a little bit warm so it's easy to mix up. Now that our cream sauce is ready, we are going to roll out our dough. We are not make your own dough masters yet. So I just found some pre-packaged dough.
Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
Don't do it.
I can't do the spin though.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Now that our crust is ready, we are going to put down a thin layer of our cream cheese and Old Bay hot sauce.
It's kind of like a crab dip.
It is. I mean, yes.
Deconstructed crab dip.
I've got some fresh mozzarella that we are just going to spread out. I've got some cherry tomatoes cut in half. A sprinkling of cheddar cheese. We've got our Maryland hand-picked jumbo blue crab meat here. We are gonna load that up on our Maryland crab pizza. I'm gonna hit it with a sprinkle of Old Bay, and it is ready to go in the pizza oven. Before I put our pizza in, I'm just going to check the temperature of our pizza stone. We're at about 600. I'm gonna put our pizza on our Blackstone pizza peel, so carefully.
Yep. And then turn this to the left.
All right, it's been a couple of minutes.
Doesn't take long.
Nope, our pizza is ready. Gonna put this in here. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
We kind of like an oval pizza around here, around these parts.
That looks amazing.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're gonna do a little CJ post dust. Add a little bit more Old Bay on top. And it is ready to be served.
It's so good. It's like crab dip on a pizza.
It's so good.
And the crust is amazing. A little crispy on the outside, still nice and chewy on the inside.
I can't believe this was ready in minutes. It's
can't
gonna be
believe-
so fun. I cannot wait to keep.
I can't believe we
making-
made this pizza.
I know.
Or you made this pizza.
That's right.
It's so good. Thank you guys for watching, and if making your own pizza is something that you haven't tried yet, we can now highly recommend it because we have just fallen in love with it. So make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Taylor, Betty, Bruce, Matt, Nate, CJ, Todd, and us. I said Todd twice, but yeah.
Todd's worth twice.
There's a lot of us now. I gotta keep it straight in my mind.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.